About this is that it's modular, and while this camera is waterproof on its own, I'm not just going to shove this camera in a dishwasher and turn it on. I'm going to be using this dive case right here. All I have to do is slide the assembled camera right into the dive case, close that little door, lock it up, and we're all set. The first thing I did was look up best dishwashers of 2021, go out, pick one up, and here it is right here. What a beauty. I'm just going to mount the camera somehow right about here. All I have to do now is get this thing set up. Make some dirty dishes. Load them in the rack. And let's see how it looks inside of a dishwasher while it's running. All right, let's hope for the best. I know it's going to sound crazy, but something I've been wondering for a while now is how dishwashers clean the dishes